yourselves on record. Why are you once in my court then?
My lord, we're not aware of this matter. We have just got a copy of the hearing notice
Who told
on
you
a
not to
certain
check
court.
it, please? Who told you not to check it, please?
Sorry for that mishap, but we have just got the hearings from another forum. That's why we knew this matter was coming this morning. The reason why we are late.
Put yourself on record.
My lord, I'm Patrick Waitaka.
Patrick,
Waitaka.
where?
Waitaka. W-E.
Wetaka.
My lord, Waitaka.
Yes. Okay.
Appearing together with my lord friend, Amidu Rugolovi. Amidu Rugolovi.
Yes.
My lord, we both appear for the first respondent.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so the parties, I have the petitioner in court. Is there anybody else in court? Where is the second respondent? The
Lord,
one who has caused the chaos.
My Lord, the second respondent is not in court.
So the second respondent not in
I
court.
hope it's not affected by this.
Second,
It's not in court. I hope it's not down. But I'm not saying.
so somebody has gone to call everybody who is down. Yes, a president.
During this application, the petition itself, that's petition number 10 of 2025,
Yes.
it's been fixed for today. We got the summons signed yesterday, so we have effected physical service of the petition on the respondents this morning.
Yes.
They have not had an opportunity in their circumstances to file their response. Although under the rules, it's 3 days. And we have quite peculiar circumstances because time is not our best ally. Christmas is fast approaching, and the election day is equally fast approaching. However, Your Honor, there is a preliminary issue that I wanted indulgence of court. We had had a
I
discussion.
have read your petition. I'm not going to direct a preliminary objection.
It's not an objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
The petition itself, the ruling had been dated 2015.
Yes.
Although we received it the same, we did receive, but the same was aired out on the social media and media on the 9th.
So what are you saying?
So we had done an application for validation to be sure that it hadn't been released earlier. Although the conversation we had informally
You
had
want to object to that?
with the respondents was that it's fine. So we had an application filed for
Let
validation.
them speak for
We
themselves.
wanted to know whether they.
Do you want me to make a ruling in that application for validation? Do you have an objection?
My lord, we don't intend. The days start running from the day they receive the ruling.
So, that is sorted. So your application is granted with no costs. Yes. Now let's go to the meat. How much time do you need to respond?
Your Lordship, for the second respondent, for the record again as Mandy, we would pray for 3 days because on a quick glance of I've seen that it's a little voluminous with other pieces of evidence that were
There is
not
no
part.
volume there. I have read the petition. There is no volume there.
There are some new documents we were
I
not
can
able
even tell
to.
you the number of pages, including the extras. Go and do some work, spend some sleepless nights.
Yes, Lord, we are going.
How much time
3
do you
days.
need?
3 days maximum.
No, 3 days. I'm not going to give you 3 days. 3 days takes me to Christmas. I also want to go and look at my cows and enjoy life. So you have a day. make your reply. There is nothing much. I am also assuming that EC should be able to make a reply in a day.
My Lord, for Electoral Commission, will be comfortable with 2 days, my Lord.
You'd even be comfortable with a yes, so would I, 1 day.
My Lord, would have.
What is so magical that you're going to respond to? There are 2 issues raised in the petition. 2 major issues. Yes.
My Lord, will have then other petitions. My Lord, if given only 1 day, considering that we have even to file responses in other courts, my Lord. So a day would not be enough. So we prefer. Yeah, tomorrow.
So that is done tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So by close of business tomorrow, you should have filed and served your reply. Do you want to rejoin?
Your Honor, we would seek to rejoin if any, but also put our submissions immediately.
So you rejoin, so today is what? Today is the 16th. So by 17th, you file and serve both the respondents. By 18th, you do any rejoinder and any submissions you may have, file and serve. How much time do you need to file your submissions?
Actually, Your Lordship, we had hoped, in the interest of time, if we could accord us only 20 minutes each side, and we address you.
That. How much time do you need to file your submissions?
They start, we don't know.
They have already answered.
We have
They are
used
going-
1 day,
They are going to file and serve by the 18th.
because it's
A day.
an expeditious application.
Yes. EC tell me. The first respondent doesn't seem, second respondent doesn't seem interested in their matter.
My Lord, for the first respondent, we need 2 days
2 days to do what? You have filed your affidavit.
to file and serve. My Lord, we have no right of rejoinder, so we need 2 days. So I know what's ample
I am
time.
going to give you 1 day. I am going to give you 1 day. By the 19th, you should serve and file your submission or your reply to the submissions. You need time to, whoever is oppressed by the time I have given, you can use it as a ground of appeal in the court of appeal. Yes.
There's no right of appeal.
Yeah, I am
Your Honor,
saying it sarcastically.
Your Honor,
Yes.
if we are served on the said date, we need to have a day for rejoinder and
You tell me what? You tell me what?
my Lord, I don't want to speculate.
You tell me what? Whatever would have arisen in your affidavit in rejoinder, raise it in your submissions.
My Lord, I was making a reference to submissions.
Yes.
Because that
And
could be.
and I'm telling you, submissions arise from the pleadings.
Yes,
Right?
my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
Whatever you call from the bar will not be considered.
Must oblige, my Lord.
Yes, so if you go and drink your alcohol and write things, I will not consider that that's a joke. But whatever you call at the bar will not be.
Must oblige.
The parties are bound by their
Pleadings.
pleadings. So as you are replying and as you are doing those things, seriously think about what you say. So if you are rejoining, my assumption is the issues have arisen. So you put them in your submissions. Saying in our affidavit in rejoinder, we say this and this, because of this and this, we submit like this.
Must oblige, my
I'm not
Lord.
giving you time to rejoin.
Must oblige, my Lord.
Yes. So you will have your judgment a day from that day. Give me a judgment day, a day from there. 22nd December. If you comply, you will have your, when is Christmas?
My Lord, it's still on the 25th.
They say it hasn't changed.
Yeah.
So you'll have your ruling or judgment on the 22nd. Don't come here, you find it on ICMIS, you can crash your computers or hack them, you can borrow there, I don't care. But I will post your ruling on ICMIS on that day. Questions?
My Lord, would just like to thank the court.
No, don't thank me.
My Lord, the court,
what?
would like to thank the court for accommodating us.
Yes, that's my job.
Most obliged.
That is my
Your
job.
Lordship, my question is your guidance on the
Yes.
stated criminal objection, where they are going to address it at the time of their
Raise them as an issue. If you have any, I saw in your petition, you
Yeah.
raise PO on the jurisdiction of the EC and what? You can raise it as an issue. I'm not going to deal with it separately and then overrule you and then you come back. Then you go through with your trolls on social media.
Most obliged.
Kulabe ekintu akiwisizaawo when it is you playing judicial semantics.
Most obliged, Your Lordship.
So you will get the expeditious judgment you want. Yes, so when they raise it, you equally respond.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. And also bear in mind that once an illegality is brought to the attention of court, which case is that?
I don't know what matter.
The court cannot ignore. It applies to both of you. Use it the way you want. Any more questions? That's it.
Yes.
Good luck. May the best man win.
Twagala okubeebaza olw'okubeerawo nga mugoberera ensonga zino ez'amakulu okulembeze bw'eggwanga. Olwaleero luno tubadde mu kkooti enkulu wano e Kampala nga tuzze okutandika okuwulira okujulira oba petition Honorable Mathias Walukagga yateekayo mu kkooti ennaku 3 emabega nga tuwakanya ensalawo ya Electoral Commission okuvujja ku Kakonge mu bubaka bwa Busiro East Constituency. Era tubaddewo mu kkooti ne Electoral Commission nejja ne Mwami Lubowa ne bapuliida be. Mwami Lubowa tabaddeewo naye bapuliida be babaddewo. Era ng'amateeka bwe gagamba ne muganda wange Nakola be bategeeza ennaku eziyise nti omusango guno gulina kuwulirizibwa mangu nnyo kubanga mu mateeka kirina okubeera ng'ensala erina kufuulibwa nga tebannamaliriza nakuba ballots. So kakati olwaleero kkooti ewulidde okumulanga gwaffe tubadde tuteesemu okusaba nga tusaba kkooti evalidatinge petition yaffe kubanga mu mateeka petition erina kukolebwa mu nnaku 5 naye Electoral Commission yayisa ekiragiro kyayo ku 25 Novemba n'ekituulira n'ekifulumya nga 9 Desemba nga wayiseewo ennaku nga 14. So kkooti ekkiriza okusaba kwaffe ne validatinga Electoral Commission egambye tejja kuwakanya validatinga petition yaffe. Kkooti n'esaba Electoral Commission ne Mwami Lubowa ng'ebawadde olunaku lumu bateekemu empoza yaabwe oba okuddamu petition ya Honorable Walukagga. Naffe ku lunaku oluddako lwe lujja okubeera olwokuna tuteekemu okuwumbawumba kwaffe ne rejoinder singa ebeerawo. Okuwumbawumba nti nsonga ki ze twagala kkooti esalewo eggoye era amateeka ki ge tusinziddeko okukisaba ekyo. Olunaku oluddako lwe lujja okuba olwokutaano kkooti eragidde Electoral Commission ne Mwami Lubowa be twawaabidde nabo bateekemu okuwumbawumba bwabwe. So wiiki ejja nga 22 tujja kuba lwakubiri Monday kkooti lwejja okuba nga etuwa ensalawo yaayo naye tutegeezezza nti tujja kwetaaga kujja wano ku kkooti enkulu tujja gifuna ku ICMIS oba ku email zaffe. So mu bufunze nti wakati wa leero olwokubiri ne Monday next week tulina ennaku 5 byonna byonna bye tulina okukoleramu byonna ebyetaagisa era mu nnaku 5 kkooti ejja kuba etuwa ensala bye tusabye n'okujulira kwe twakoze. Tukyali babativu kubanga amateeka tegannakyuka. Ekituwa obuvumu n'obugumu n'essuubi nti amateeka agafuga ge twogerako ag'okwewandiisa ag'obuyigirize tegannakyuka. Electoral Commission yali endowooza egezaako kugakyusa. Tukyali bavumu kubanga Honorable Mathias Walukaga akyalina certificate eva mu National Council of Higher Education ekakasa nti obuyigirize obwetagisa okwesimbawo abulina. Ate ekitongole kirina obuvunaanyizibwa obwo ye National Council of Higher Education ne UNEP ezaamumakinga. So oba onoonya obulwadde ne bakukebera ne bagamba nti ekyuma kisanzeemu malaria, ate oli tayinza kugamba nti toli mulwadde ng'ekyuma kikoze eki kikusanze. So ffe twayita mu bukungujja bwonna obwetagisa okulaba asomye n'atasomye asaanidde Honorable Walukaga n'abuyitako. Obuzibu bwe tulina bwe busosoze nti abalina ssente nga basobola okusomesa abaana baabwe ne bava mu kibiina kimu ne badda ku kiri mu myaka emigere basosola abo abanyigirizibwa olw'embeera emu n'endala ne bava mu ssomero ne bakomawo nabo bakole ki beeyongerewo. So waliwo abalwanyisa obuyigirize n'obumanyi mu ggwanga muno. Kyobola Mwami Walukaga ekimuluma era ekimukubya busosoze. Abaasoma ennyo abalowooza nti baasoma nnyo kuba bamanyi Oluzungu balowooza nti ye tasaanidde kubanga yayita mu Mature Age Entry. Bwe busosoze obumubonyabonya.
Reverend English counsel about what transpired in court and whether your application still holds.
So today we came for the hearing of the petition challenging the decision of the Electoral Commission. And it's very good that the Electoral Commission came to court and Mr. Loa, the other respondent. So the court has directed the Electoral Commission and Mr. Loa, the respondents, to file their reply and defense within 1 day. So by close of business tomorrow, they must have filed their defense. And then the following day, which is going to be Thursday, we should be filing our rejoinder and at the same time submission. Court has said we do return submission where we raise the issues we want court to determine and the law on which we are basing to ask for court to overturn the EC decision. And then on Friday, the Electoral Commission and Mr. Loa will be giving their side of submissions. On Monday next week, which is the 22nd, court will be delivering its judgment as far as this appeal or petition is concerned. So in essence, we have 5 days within which to do everything. So we are not going to sleep. As we live here, we are going to start on work to ensure that we hit the deadlines that have been provided by court. We also want to thank court that it has been expeditious. A few days ago on Friday when we were here filing, my colleague Nalkola informed you that we expect that this time whichever judge will receive this petition will treat time as a very variable factor, and we thank God for that, by the way. Where court does good, we need to say thank you. We thank them for having expeditiously given attention to Mr. Walukaga's petition and for giving us opportunity to argue our case, and we wait for victory. As the lawyers and our client, we're not worried because the law has not changed. The law on who qualifies to contest for a member of parliament on academic grounds is settled. The National Council for Education and the UNEP, which are the mandated legal bodies to tell us who has the books and who doesn't have the books, already pronounced themselves. And Mr. Walukaga has that document. The Electoral Commission has that document. Now the Electoral Commission, we are faulting it for taking over roles that are not its roles. It's like a husband being found in the kitchen attempting to serve soup. I tell you, no, go back to the dining and wait for the food. Whatever food is brought is what you should eat. So Electoral Commission, they brought you food, well-cooked food, in terms of the document saying Mr. Walukaga has the relevant qualification. And finally, I think the problem we have is elitism and colonial mentalities, plus discrimination, where those who had the opportunity to study straight from nursery, others even conduct graduations after nursery. Then they go conduct graduations after P7, after senior 6, then they go to university. Now they think other people who are disadvantaged in life for so many reasons should not have an opportunity to share in the national cake. If Mr. Walukaga took the initiative after 25 years of life and struggling to go back to study such that he can also share on the national cake, then why are you chasing him away? Because you think an equivalent to a senior 6 is not enough. Who told you it's only Movit which works? There is Samona, there is the Baby Jerry, and all of them are Jerry's. And Mwana Mujim. So whoever.
Thank you, Francis.
So thank you very much.
Clients are way off.
Ikichedino kwa kubawa ebiragiro tukole kino yoko kino bikwatagana n'amateeka ebali kompitire nti tulinda nakuza mwezi abiri mu kulinda loole tusuubira nti Mukama agenda kusaamu okusa era tulegera what I would say it has been aired out by my lawyers. The reason why I pay lawyers to represent me when it comes to things to law. So I would have said much to my lawyer. I told you it's a very fair. I instructed them to appeal, but give judgment to them. And we are waiting for the ruling to take place. And we are very sure that we are going to be the winners.
Nga waliwo akantu konna ke mulowooza nti muganda wange totabula bintu toleeta buki mu bbaala mwana gwe
Kyebagenda kubawa budde kulanukula submission zaabwe. Kyemukiraliikiridde
waliwo ennono y'amateeka egamba nti oyo ali mu musango talina ate kulula bigera ate agende kubisukka ku ebyo bye yaleeta mu kooti. Bw'oba wawaaba ng'okaayanira kibanja ate totuuka wakatikati n'ogamba nti naye n'omukyala yamutwalirako. Tusuubira nti bannaffe bajja kukuuma ennono eyo babeere ng'ebyo bye tuleese byebyo bye baddamu. Kyokka ate era mu ngeri y'emu singa basukka we balina okukuma ne tuzuula ng'eki tebaleese kiyinza okukosa omuntu waffe. Munnange amateeka gano nga tuddamu nga tugattaganjula nga tudduka mangu ew'omulamuzi nti bano basusse we balina okukoma, naye atusuubizza n'agamba nti singa oli anadduka n'ayita ewaabwe nja kumugolola ettumba ebyo sijja bifaako by'anaaba aleese, nja bisuula mu kasero. Ekyo kye kituleetedde obutaba nakweraliikirira. Ye nga lwaki tweraliikirira nga twaleeta ensonga zonna ennywevu mu buwandiike ne tuziteeka mu kooti? Tusuubira nti omulamuzi oyo ajja kukola bwenkanya. Ng'era kaakano bw'abadde akoze bw'atandise okuwulira ensonga yaffe mu bwangu. Ekyo nakyo tukijaguze. Omanyi abantu b'ensi eno baagala nnyo okutereka essanyu lyabwe mbu banaajaguza oluvannyuma. So nga ate buli lunaku lw'oliwo ng'oli mulamu jaguza ekyo ky'oba otuuseeko. We are not worried at all because we are guided by principles of law. One of such principles is to the effect that a party is not allowed to go beyond the pleadings on court record. So I believe our colleagues, our land friends for the respondents will not cross the bar. They will be within. The pleadings will be on the record, and the pleadings on the record which will guide us in the course of making our submissions.